5 benefits of using e-learning for teaching in schools and colleges. Technology has affected almost all aspects of our life. Education is no different. Over the past few years, e-learning has grown rapidly thanks to its extraordinary benefits for both students and instructors. E-learning gives students easy access to education regardless of where they are. In addition, it also offers the promise of providing optimal learning process that suits every student's needs. Some of the major benefits of e-learning are being provided hereafter. Number 1, easy and fun learning experience. Classes can be boring and stressful for students, making the learning materials delivered to students ineffective. However, through e-learning, the learning process becomes more flexible and convenient, thus encouraging the students to learn continuously. Students can access their e-learning materials anytime and anywhere using the various types of mobile device they have. They can repeat any subjects as they please whenever they struggle to comprehend it. They can also choose materials that suit their needs and preferences. 2. Personalized learning and support. We all know that it is difficult for a teacher to meet each student's unique needs, especially when there are 20 or 30 of them in a classroom. E-learning enables teachers to shift from one to size of all learning model to a more focused one. With a systematic learning process and a range of content format available, teachers can provide personalized learning experience for students which cannot be achieved in most traditional classes. Third one, students' performance tracking made simpler. E-learning provides the ability for teachers to track students' progress and ensure that they fulfill their performance achievements. For example, if a student fails to pass their online exams, the instructor can offer them learning methods that are more in line with their personalities so that they can absorb the learning materials more easily and ultimately improve their performance. Advanced e-learning systems provide reporting and analytical tools that allow teachers to pinpoint areas of their e-learning course that may be lacking, as well as where they excel. For example, if there are many students who have difficulty in mastering certain learning materials, the teacher can evaluate the content and make improvements if needed. Reduce learning cost. E-learning enables educational institutions to reduce the cost of e-learning classroom equipment, online training set rentals, training site rentals, and book printing. Schools and colleges do not need to present difficult tutors for each class, print hundreds of books, and renovate the classrooms. Centralized students database. All detailed information related to students is safely stored in a centralized system. Schools can determine who can access the data. Students' personal details, completed assignments and exams, payment status, and various learning activities can all be easily displayed on a single screen. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for continuous support. Thank you.